The so-called permanent interests are developed, childish interests are curtailed, and as a result of general maturation, the working of the imagination begins to assume its final form. In his study of the creative imagination, Ribot constructs the curve shown in Figure 1, which schematically depicts a development of the imagination and which facilitates understanding of the unique nature of imagination in the child, the adult, and the imagination during adolescence, which is what we are interested in here. The major law underlying the development of the imagination that this curve represents can be verbally expressed as follows. In its development, the imagination goes through two periods to separate critical phases. The curve IM represents the course of development of the imagination during the first period. It rises sharply and then remains at the level achieved for a relatively long period of time. The dotted line arrow represents the development of the intellectual region. This development, as the figure shows, starts later and rises more slowly because it requires a greater accumulation of experience and a more complex transformation of this experience. Only at point M do the two lines, the development of the imagination and development of reason, coincide. The left side of this figure graphically depicts the unique features characterizing the operation of the imagination in childhood, which many researchers have taken to indicate the richness of